absolute garbage. God, there's so many of them. Why don't they stop spawning? Oh my god. Okay. Cool. Oh, this is so... I'm concentrating so bad. I don't want to die. I don't want to do it again. No! For God's sake! Oh, it's so lame. So lame. At least I don't have to do this room. I just run through it. Acid! Eat some acid, suckers! 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 I'm stuck again because this level is so stupid! You can't strafe properly! And these guns do nothing to nobody because every gun is useless! And I'm just dying! Just kill me! I don't care! Oh, it's so frustrating! The weapons feel useless. They feel absolute garbage. Okay, this ain't bad. This is alright. Okay, cool. Right, boom. Get some more ammo. Don't waste any ammo. Don't waste a single one. Why? Why, camera? Why did you do this? Why is this goddamn idiot not dying? I did it again. I just backed up from him for some idiotic reason. It made no sense. Okay, okay, okay. One more. Oh. Great, 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 great. Agents of Doom. Get some Agents of Doom out there, boy. Why give me back the gun I just used? I've got the wrong gun out. I did not want this gun. I wanted the acid detonator. Acid detonating in your face. Oh, I don't know how well I'm doing. They're dying. They're dying. Is that all of them? Please be all of them. Oh, Lord. Oh, sweet Lord. Ah, no! 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 Gotta go back. Yes, I can go back. Let's go get some ammo. I need it. But I do have to get through this room. Ah! Oh, no! Great. Great. Well, that was pointless because I'm just going to die. I did save though. Cool, I got some health. That was my plan. Just don't get shot in the butt. Okay. Oh, good. They're both dead. I got 10 health. It's probably just as good as 1 health to be quite honest with you is what I was going to say, but you didn't need honesty, you just needed to see it. Because what is the point? Are these going to actually come back? Can I just go through here? I can't. I actually can't. I have to do this room. Oh, this is stupid. This is so dumb. This is actually terrible. Terrible but not rippable. Now I got Eminem lyrics on my nipple. That don't make sense. I'm going absolutely crazy. I let one of the wrench people kill me. Hit me. Ah, just kill me! I don't care! Like, I can understand hard, but this is just frustrating because it feels like your weapons do nothing, and then when they hit you, it takes so much damage. It's like, ugh. Sometimes they don't feel like you're hitting them either, they don't react. It's not fun, I'm telling ya. I'm gonna attack these guys with other weapons because they're the wrench boys, and the wrench boys don't need no missiles, I don't feel. They just need guns that do nothing. Absolute garbage. Get out of the way, you stupid dummies. Is someone gonna die? God Lord! Wow, that was awful. Absolutely terrible. Terrible but not rippable. Now I got Eminem lyrics on my nipple. Oh, almost. Sweet Jesus. I think I did it without getting hit. Oh no, there's more. Of course. Of course there's more. What was I thinking? Why am I trapped? Why can I not move? Gotcha. Now did I do it? Now I did it. Right. Do I risk going back? Now I've got quite a lot of rocket ammo. I'm just going to carry on. Come on. Okay. But I don't know where they're going to come from. One's going to come out here. Try to shoot me. Haha, and he's going to fail. Because bam! He did. No, he's not dead. Ah! I think I can get the health from in here. Alright, I didn't get it. Did I? Yeah, I didn't get it. Cool. So, you know what? Can I just, like, skip all this? Ah! You mother... God damn! Why there's so many of them? Oh, I can't see goddamn anything. Let's go get the bolt. Like, we need the bolt. What do we need this crap for? Nothing. It's useless. It's about as useful as my weapons. Which I'm gonna go get ammo for. I gotta run through these guys now. I can do it. I can do it without getting hit. Okay, cool. That's not too bad. I got through. Now we got ammo, at least. That's all we needed. Because they ain't gonna get me. We're gonna do it, guys. Oh my... Wasted two. Because it's locked on to that one for some reason. Sweet. I think I'm doing it. Okay. Alright. Someone here? Why not? Did I get him? I think I got him. Just don't go near the lids. Is there more? There might be more. What is this? I hit a button. Did it do a thing? Wait. It opened this. Like, seriously? Oh my lord, this guy won't die! So annoying. Please just give me a damn checkpoint. Oh, this looks like a checkpoint. The music's changed! Things are getting more intense! There's lava! This is really cool looking. I really like this. Oh my god. I think I might be here, guys. This looks like the end.
I'm sorry that no one gives you credit for your work, but there are
yeah. No, I'm not sorry. Your work's mine. What? Oh. What is it about then?
This is about power, and what is more powerful than
intelligence?
The
electricity? The rhino! Yay! That's quite clever. I like that. No.
This has all been leading up to
What is it?
I have developed a technology to
Okay, I just read what it said before he said it.
chamber
I lack shock though.
being in the other.
Wait a second.
Why?
After I have grown these
That's so shocking.
I'm going to use my Ratchet army to gather
Why?
every intelligent being in the solar
Don't do
system.
that.
Then I will transfer all of their brain power to me.
But then you'll get the stupid people.
Intelligent entity the universe has ever known.
That is
What if your brain explodes? It's not that evil. Well, like, did the people die? Did they lose their intelligence? Because if he takes everyone and then becomes the most, and they all die, then there's nobody else. And of course, you would have been the most you would have been. Why they got running shoes? What is this? Sonic?